Hey guys, this video is about calculating income tax. Now, all of us may not be very much aware about how tax calculation can be done, and for them, this can be a very useful tool in generating what would be their tax implications. So, we'll start with the salary slip. Though its format may be different, usually what happens is there are two sections. One is an earnings, and then there's a deductions, and then we have net output of. And now for the tool itself. Now the sheet is pretty simple. It has income, it has deductions, and it has summary. Income is what you get, deductions is what you do for your tax savings. All we need to do is follow the steps mentioned with the blue color. Now the good part is that even if you have not done in the start April of the fiscal year, or your salary has increased in the middle of the year, then you can do that, just changing the number of months in the mentioned column. Now let's start with the step 1 and enter our basic monthly income as per salary slip. As you could see, annual basic income is auto-filled. Moving ahead, let's put monthly HRA received as per payslip and rent paid. In case of self-owner of house, rent paid can be kept empty. Rent payment attracts tax relief in following ways. As shown, actual rent payment minus 10% of annual basic or 40% of your annual basic or actual HRA received, whichever is minimum, is deducted from your HRA payment as tax benefit. Hence, 48,000 is deducted from 60,000, the HRA received, and net addition to income is only 12,000. Now let's add local convenience if present in salary slip, and its benefit is that we do not need any bills to be presented. Thus entire amount is present in deductions under other tax rebates. Companies provide allowances like medical, phone bill, internet, which can be taken as tax benefit on presentment of proper bills. This can be then added under other tax benefit in deductions if bills are available. Now let's add any other component of salary slip if any, and for headings which are not mentioned here, amount can be put in others. Thus the gross salary and annual salary is calculated, which is after tax a benefit of HRA. As seen top right, we do not find any net tax payable. This is because the total gross income is less than exempt limit of 2,50,000. Let's discuss this section later. Now increasing basic by 10,000, we see we have a net tax payment shown as red at top right. Post the gross income received, let's move to deductions which are investments for tax benefit. ATC is one of the most important and well-known method with max investment cap of 1,50,000. On keeping this 150,000, we find that the net tax payable at top right is again 0. As mentioned, even if we add more to ATC beyond 1,50,000, only max cap will be considered for tax benefit. Most of us have PF and professional tax as part of monthly deductions. Here we need to note only 12% of annual basic of employee PF is part of this tax benefit deduction and not the employer's. Now other investments can be put like home loan interest and principal, education loan interest, mediclaim, etc. These deductions in ATC or other are not exclusive in nature and are the ones which are mostly used by everyone. And thus we receive the gross rebate, which is max 150,000 under ATC and other deductions. Here note is that limit for other deductions can be identified from the link shared in the video description. Now for summary, the income chargeable to tax is gross income minus gross deductions. The annual exempt income limit from tax is 250,000. Above this, tax slab of 10% is charged on total chargeable income, which is above 250,000, and total income tax is calculated. We have additional benefit of 5,000 from total income tax if we are in 10% slab as per section 87 of income tax. If income chargeable to tax is above 5 lakhs, then we fall in 20% tax slab and we do not have benefit of section 87A. And if income chargeable to tax is above 10 lakhs, then it is 30% tax slab. Finally, if we are doing this in middle of year, then we can put total income tax paid till now and get final tax amount as shown at top right. In this case, it reduced from 69,000 previously to 54,000 now.